Tesla Cybertruck versus Tata Nexon EV. Power versus price. Cybertruck, futuristic beast. 845 HP, 800 plus kilometers range. Nexon EV, India's favorite. 129 HP, 465 kilometers range. Okati, 90 lakhs plus, Inkoti 15 lakhs. But both electric kings in their own league. Cybertruck for style, Nexon for smart buy. Comment your pick and subscribe Rivant 55.